everyone. So we are off today and this is my first time leaving my wife alone for a long time, and she is my wife, and me and Harjit are going to Punjab, and hope everything goes well on the road. Yes, see you on the road. So these are bikes. I'm going on Himalayan and he's going on X12. This is my wife, beautiful wife.
हाय एवरीवन। तो आज थोड़ा सा स्पेशल दिन है। अचानक से ऐसे ही इंस्टेंट प्लान बना है यमुनोत्री जाने के लिए, और हम सुबह से ऐसे ही बैठे हुए थे। आई थिंक हमने बस आधे घंटे पहले प्रिपरेशन शुरू की है। राइट नाउ इट्स 12:45। गौतम हैज़ गॉन टू पंजाब एंड या ही विल बी स्पेंडिंग टाइम देयर विथ हिज फैमिली एंड दे हैव सम वर्क देयर एंड आई कुडंट गो, आई वाज रियली सिक, बट या आई एम फीलिंग बेटर राइट नाउ थैंकफुली। आई डोंट थिंक यू कैन मेक आउट कि अभी मैं बीमार भी थी, पर मैं 2 दिन से बीमार थी बहुत ज़्यादा। तो अभी हम एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट काम कर रहे हैं, दैट इज़ हमारा वीडियो अपलोड हो रहा है ऑन द लव लैंग्वेज क्वालिटी टाइम, एंड ये अपलोड हो रहा है अभी 50%, एंड देन हम प्रे कर रहे हैं कि ये हमारे जाने से पहले ही अपलोड हो जाए, अदरवाइज विल हैव टू कैरी द लैपटॉप। एंड मैं आपको जल्दी से हमारे घर का हाल थोड़ा सा
फ्रेम में
मैं आपको जल्दी से हमारा घर का हाल दिखा देती हूँ। सो दिस इज़ अविनाश एंड ही इज़ आवर एडिटर फॉर द वीडियोज़, एंड हेयर आर द लेडीज़, दीज आर द लेडीज़। हेलो बोल दो।
हाय।
मम्मी एंड मौसी। एंड सो ये बहुत एक्साइटेड है, पहली बार जा रहे हैं। ठीक है, तो ऐसे ये आई डोंट नो वेयर दी अदर गाइज आर, वो लोग पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं। क्या तैयारी?
तो आज हमारी वापसी हो रही है। आज है 26 तारीख और आज हमारी वापसी हो रही है पंजाब से, और अभी हम वापस आ रहे हैं। हम सुबह 5 बजे चले थे हम। सो या होप टू सी माई वाइफ सून, एंड आई एम एक्साइटेड टू सी माई वाइफ सून एंड गो होम एंड hug her tightly.
Hi, good morning everyone. So today Gautam is returning from Punjab and आज 26th है, so he's coming after like 5 days and it's been a very long time for me especially. I don't know, 5 दिन वैसे doesn't sound really long but yeah it feels long. तो फिर मैंने ये सोचा he's gonna arrive somewhere around lunch time 1-2 बजे तक। तो फिर मैंने सोचा मैं स्पेशल क्या करूँ गौतम के लिए, बिकॉज इज़ कमिंग या अभी हम कुछ समय के लिए दूर रहे थे, तो फिर मैंने सोचा मैं कुछ स्पेशल करती हूँ। सो व्हाट आई डिड वाज आई क्लीन द हाउस। मैंने पहले ही सब कुछ साफ़ किया एंड देन या आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू शो यू अराउंड। और फिर उसके बाद आई थिंक शाम के लिए आई वांट टू कुक समथिंग स्पेशल, एंड राइट नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू बेक अ केक फॉर हिम, एंड उसके ऊपर मैं लिखूँगी वेलकम होम। या आई होप people, Gautam वापस आ गया है and I'm more than excited. It's so good to see him after such a long time, felt like years. But yeah, I'm so happy he's just gone to take a shower. और अभी I just gave him some juice and he read the card. It was awesome. He really liked it. And guess what he got me? I wasn't expecting anything because सब कुछ तो lockdown में है. Anything. I just wanted to ask him to bring mangoes, but I didn't call. I thought he wouldn't stop. But he stopped on the way and he got me some fruits. He got mangoes, he got plums, and he got me my favorite, that's coconut water. So it's so special. I'm delighted. I mean, it's such a small thing, but I feel really special that he was thinking of me on the way. And he stopped with his heavy backpack. वरना तो घर आने की जल्दी होती है. And he stopped on the way and he bought me something. It's so special. Let's see. He'll come out and then cut the cake. So I hope he likes it.
You guys should see this. So she decorated everything for me in the house, and she also left a welcome note. Right when I entered, I saw that welcome note, and that was wonderful. And also it was very, very special, very special. And I could really see that she was thinking about me every moment. And yeah, it was very special. So the welcome note was something like this over here. Welcome home, hubby. If you guys can have a look.
So Gautam is going to cut the cake right now. So guys, our next love language is receiving gifts.
A gift is a thing that you can hold in your hand and say, look, she was thinking about me, or she remembered me. So yeah.
Yes, it's very special. So gifts are actually visual symbols of love. कि आप किसी को portray कर सकते हो, display कर सकते हो, that I really love you. It's an expression. For example, हमारे शादी के ceremony में
हम लोग ring exchange करते हैं, है ना? It's a part of a शादी, है ना? जब शादी होती है, it's a part. Why? It's a gift exchanging ceremony, right?
Yes. It's special because these rings symbolize something more than just a gift. It's the gift of commitment and love.
Yeah.
So whoever is performing the ceremony, वो पहले बोल देता है that these rings are symbols of love and commitment and togetherness for the rest of your lives. It's
Yeah.
not just like छोटे span के लिए, but throughout your life.
Yeah. So you can imagine if receiving and giving gifts, it's a big part of your marriage, है ना? शादी के दिन में इतना बड़ा रोल प्ले करता है. So how big role will it play all throughout your marriage life? It plays a very big role.
Yes, that's true. Now gifts come in all shapes, sizes and colors.
Yeah.
कुछ भी
हो सकता है ना? छोटा, बड़ा, बहुत छोटा, बहुत बड़ा, बहुत एक्सपेंसिव, ऐसे भी हो सकता है. So gift can be purchased, or maybe they can be found, or they can be made. Yes.
Yes. तो कुछ भी हो सकता है, ज़रूरी नहीं है you need to go and find costly gifts. They can also be free of cost, and they can be handmade, or they can be found. For example, कुछ मिला है ऐसा कोई गिफ्ट कहीं ढूंढा हो?
Me? Yeah, I went for a walk one morning, actually for a run, and then I found a stone, and that was in the shape of a heart. So I thought, I got that stone and gave it to her. So I mean, I hope so she liked it.
Yes, it's special. I mean, though it's just a piece of stone, but you know that okay, your spouse was thinking of you when he went out alone, and he was thinking of you, and he was observant enough कि उसने observe किया कुछ, and he brought something back for you. It's special. You'll feel valued.
Yeah.
Yes.
Most important thing that you need to keep in mind is the gift of self is one of the most important thing in giving gifts, right?
Yes.
Would you like to explain everyone what is gift of self? When I say gift of self, what do I mean by that?
अभी तक हम जो बात कर रहे थे, हम tangible gifts की बात कर रहे थे, something that we can touch, right? कुछ भी हम hold कर सकते हैं. But there is another very important gift, and that is योर गिफ्ट ऑफ सेल्फ, जिसको कहते हैं गिफ्ट ऑफ प्रेजेंस भी कह सकते हैं. सो गिफ्टिंग योर स्पाउस विथ योर प्रेजेंस, लाइक क्वालिटी टाइम की तरह अपना अनडिवाइडेड अटेंशन अपने स्पाउस को देना, दैट इज वैल्यूएबल.
Being available for your spouse, that's a big gift. Trust me on that. There's no bigger gift than that. Just being available for your wife or for your husband, and I feel like that is, for me, that is one of the most important thing.
That's true. So now guys, we're going to just give you a few ideas of receiving gifts or giving gifts. क्या आप अपने spouse को दे सकते हैं, जैसे कि अभी हमने बात किया, ज़रूरी नहीं है costly होना चाहिए. Maybe if the love language of your spouse is receiving gifts, then you need to come up with very nice creative ideas, even though आपकी love language वो ना हो. But if you have identified कि आपके spouse को वो पसंद है, तो वो आपको करना पड़ेगा. You'll have to bring it into practice. और अभी हम कुछ बताएंगे, आइडियाज देंगे जो हम भी फॉलो करते हैं. सो लेट्स जस्ट चेक एंड मे बी इट माइट बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू.
The very first example that's coming in my head is, you can gift your spouse a plant.
I would like that.
And a plant can be a very good symbol of when you go out, you can just bring the plant and say, I was thinking about you and here, this is for you.
That's true. दूसरा कोई और गिफ्ट हो सकता है समथिंग दैट इज हैंडमेड, क्योंकि हैंडमेड चीज़ें बहुत प्रेशियस होती है. एंड द एग्जाम्पल दैट आई कैन थिंक ऑफ इज व्हेन गौतम मेड दिस ब्यूटिफुल बैम्बू बुक शेल्फ ऑन आवर एनिवर्सरी एंड ही प्रेजेंटेड इट टू मी. So that was very valuable and it was very dear to my heart because he made it himself right from scratch. पूरा last तक he did all the hard work of months and weeks and then he gave it and it's beautiful. तो कई बार handmade चीज़ें बहुत सुंदर लगती हैं.
और आप एक बुक भी दे सकते हो अपने स्पाउस को, है ना. बुक इज अ वेरी गुड एग्जांपल ऑफ गिविंग गिफ्ट. मे बी आपके स्पाउस को कोई पर्टिकुलर बुक्स रीड करना पसंद है एंड यू गाइस कैन रीड इट बोथ टुगेदर.
या ऑल्सो हैंडमेड कार्ड्स, आई थिंक हैंडमेड कार्ड्स आर ऑल्सो a good things to give. You can be creative, कुछ भी even jokes or just pouring out your love in a card, that would be beautiful.
The other thing that's coming in my mind is also you cook for your spouse and you can surprise her. Maybe she's out or maybe he's out. You can surprise your spouse by making a dinner or maybe one-time meal for them. Which they love.
Their favorite dish.
Their favorite dish.
That'd be good. Also, don't forget in सबके बीच में that gift of presence is also important. ज़रूरी नहीं है that you give your spouse really nice and wonderful gifts, but if you're not giving your spouse the gift of presence, then it's still not going to be balanced.
Anything that's coming in your head?
Not that I can think of. But I think हमारे viewers को भी काफी अच्छे ideas होंगे.
If you guys have an idea, please comment below because I know some of you guys are very very creative. We had a chat with some of you and you are amazing, and so we would like some help because I would like some help. She doesn't need help in that area. I need help in that area. जब भी मुझे gift देना होता है, I can't think of anything yet. So please do put that in our comments. What are your ideas of giving gifts? What can be the other ideas of giving gifts, right?
Yeah, that'd be good. So guys, that's what we wanted to talk to you about today, the love language of receiving gifts. अगर आपके spouse की love language receiving gifts है, then let's put it into practice. अच्छा होगा कि आप practice करें. Start with little things, small gifts and handmade things, and then progress to better ones.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
And if you thought that this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and also consider forwarding it to people who might benefit from this video.
Take care guys. Have fun.